Would you be willing to give up 5 or 10 minutes of your time to save over $100? In this video, we're going to show you how to do just that by setting up a brand new washing machine. Hey, this is Dave from housebarons.com. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to hook up a brand new whirlpool washer. Let's get started. The tools we're using today are these connection hoses. These are braided, stainless steel braided connection hoses. They're by Eastman. We're Amazon affiliates and can earn from qualifying purchases. So if you want to pick one of these up, you can easily do that on Amazon. Just click on our link below. We're also going to use just two simple tools, a pliers and a wrench, and that's about it. It's pretty straightforward. The washer comes with this setup inside. They give you your free trial packs of soap, but more importantly, it comes with your drain line, and this is important. This is included, whereas the Eastman connection lines are not included. So you got to remember to buy those when you purchase your washer separately. All right, to get started, we put in our drain hose into the laundry box. It snaps in, and then we use pliers. Take the cover off. Oh, there's water in there from the test, right? So be aware, some water did come out of there from probably when they tested it at the factory. But use the pliers to squish the spring right here, and when we open the spring up by pressing on these, it'll help it fit. Channel locks would be a better solution, but I don't have those with me, so we're just using ordinary pliers. All right, that's on. Now we take our hoses, just unpackage these. They're coated. You can see one side is blue and one of the hoses is red. So for hot and cold, that's helpful to know. You want the hoses on the right outlet so everything makes sense in case you ever have to take it apart. So we cut those plastic ties, and we'll go ahead and connect the first hose. Before you get started, you may want to run some water through the new lines just to make sure there's no debris. Sometimes new water lines, especially in a new house like this, sometimes you can get some gunk in there, so it's a good idea to just go ahead and test. Run some water through the new lines just in case there's any debris in there. But everything looks real clean and clear. So now we can go ahead and hook them up. And in plumbing, the classic term is tight, but not too tight, so you hand tighten these, and then we'll fine tune it by using a wrench for 2/3 of a turn. But for now, we just put these on hand tight. Good and hand tight, and then 2/3 of a turn. It's a quarter. That's a quarter. And then just eighth of a turn or so. There we go. That one's good. Now cold. Inside those hoses, you can see there's a rubber gasket, rubber bushing, and that's going to provide a good seal. That's why the threads don't need to be taped. Now we'll do the cold line. I'm coming here with a wrench and do 2/3. They said 2/3 of a turn. That's a half. And then we'll do a little bit more here. Okay. And then we'll do the same thing on these guys. Remember, tight but not too tight. It's a delicate balance. The instructions say 2/3 of a turn of the final fitting after it's hand tightened. Not a lot of room to work in these little boxes, so we'll check for leaks just to make sure we got them good. But there's no plumbing tape and no pipe cement or of any kind. That's pretty tight there. Here's one quick tip for you before you're done. You may want to, you can see a hole right there on the top of that, hose, and there's a stud right behind here. So what we're going to do is drill through that and anchor this to the stud. That'll keep this whole drain hose from accidentally popping out and creating a mess. Another tip is remember to make sure not to put any tape on the threads, either here at the washing machine or there at the valves, because of those rubber seals. Okay, so in less than 5 minutes, your washer is completely connected. All right, that's the final look. The water line's going to the back of the washer there, and they come over from the laundry box right there. Connection is super quick and easy. The last thing you need to do is pull that plug out. It's just kind of resting in there. Plug her in, and she's ready to go. There you go. In less than 5 minutes, it's all hooked up, good to go. Save yourself a ton of money by doing it yourself, doing a very simple task. Hey, I hope this video helps. Give us a thumbs up if it did, and be sure and check out this next video.